How to add another email on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add another email on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now go down and you will find this one here, settings, and then click account and profile, and now go here and click your profile here, and now you just wait, and now go down and you will find this one here, email address. Click here and add another email if you want, and then just verified email. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.